So right now, Sam and Josh are in the process of removing a protection film that was done elsewhere at another shop. So the customer brought it here because they saw the type of work that we do. And this is just an example. You can see that the trunk, you know, I think they even cut into the paint here. This is done in 2 different pieces. We remove the spoiler, we do everything wrapped inside. So that's what the customer wants, and that's what people start expecting now, because we really take protection film and treat it as if it's wrapped. So we wrap all the edges. And this one, we're actually redoing pretty much the entire car except the 4 doors and the pillars. So yeah, sometimes that's what happens. You know, you take it to a shop, you expect something, and in this case, this is a 3M product. 3M is actually warrantying the work that was done on it, and that is an advantage to bringing your car to a certified shop that no matter what, you're covered. So because we are 3M certified, we're going to be covering this type of job. 3M is going to help us and the client make sure that the job is done properly. So can't wait to show you guys what it's going to look like when it's done, because you're not really going to see it. So actually, I think you can kind of see this right away. Yeah, Josh just pointed out. So just around the camera, I mean, this takes literally 5 minutes to pop off, but they just cut around it, and that's not what we do. So this is gonna be unwrapped, and let me show you the other cars. We'll go back inside, show you guys what we're doing. Etika truck, actually. This truck got in a rear accident. It's a commercial truck, so we do a lot of commercial wraps as well, just like our top wrap truck over there. Full wraps, full lettering. If you're doing any type of advertising or if it's for your company, let us know. We can do everything from designing to printing to installation here. And this one is fully unwrapped now. We're just waiting for it to go to the body shop. So huge backlog because of COVID. We're not the only ones. And boom. RS5 in here, which is going to be getting a full ceramic coating package. It's going to be getting our full front end and rocker panel protection. And yeah, this is a Ceramic Pro Silver package. Hugo's almost done removing that. Model 3, full front end package with rocker panels. And in case you guys haven't seen it yet, this is the Model Y. We actually did a video about what to look for and inspect. So when you're buying these cars, this one actually came with a mismatched door. So the door was actually yellow. It just recently got repainted, but I'll point out quickly right here, a bit of panel gap still going on right there. Huge, like at least ½ an inch. But we're doing a stealth conversion. So check this out. This is the original color, but you can still see the pearlescence inside the paint through the film. So it's a protection film, changes the finish, and this is what you would be getting if you had a pearl white car. If you guys are interested in that, that's really cool. One of our most popular options when it comes to full vehicle wraps. I think we have like 3 or 4 of these coming in at least a month. So really cool stuff. And a little update on the Ferrari. Besides the bumper that we just removed, the car is pretty much done. That is a big ball of chrome. If you guys were wondering what about $800 of chrome looks like, should I even say that on video? Should I tell them? Here it is. And here we have the roof that's already done. The rest of the car's already pretty much fully wrapped. We're gonna be reassembling the rear bumper. That'll be done by the end of the day. And then we're gonna be putting the rest of the protection film on the car. So I might be laying this piece in just a little bit. But we're gonna get all the dry stuff done first before we get the wet stuff done. So, maybe you won't. No, for sure. We actually have a lot of French viewers. Guys, if you guys speak French, just say something in the comments below so that we can start filming Max and he can start talking French on these videos. Because he thinks that people in Quebec don't watch these. So we just film these for fun, actually. We just think that there's too many cool projects that happen. We want to show you guys what's possible with your car. And I hope you guys seen enough this episode. See you guys later.